Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Motorola Moto G Power 2024 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. And also check the repair information link on the description. First, turn off the phone completely before beginning the repair. To remove the back cover, you will need to soften the adhesive underneath. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the phone with the back cover facing down on a heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges on the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much heat, as excessive heat can damage the back cover or internal components. Once the adhesive is softened, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the back cover and the phone frame. The best place to start is usually near the bottom edge of the phone. Insert a plastic opening pick or pry tool into the gap. Slowly slide the tool around the edges to separate the adhesive. Take your time during this step and avoid pushing the tool too far inside, as this can damage internal components. Please note there is strong adhesive around the camera area, so carefully work around this section and gently release the adhesive. Once the adhesive is fully separated, carefully lift and remove the back cover. For reassembly, it is recommended to clean away the old adhesive from the edges of the back cover and the frame. Next, remove the SIM card tray. Next, remove the 18 screws securing the mid frame. Next, use a plastic opening pick or pry tool to create a small gap between the mid frame and the phone housing. Start from near the SIM card slot area, as this is usually the easiest place to begin. Slowly slide the tool around the edges to release the plastic clips holding the mid frame in place. Be careful when lifting the mid frame, as the fingerprint sensor flex cable is still connected. Once all the clips are released, gently lift the midframe and disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect the fingerprint plug from the logic board to completely remove the midframe from the body. Next, remove the faulty battery from the device. Before removing the battery, apply gentle heat to soften the adhesive underneath. You can use a heating mat or heat gun for this process. Do not apply heat if the battery is swollen, bloated, or damaged. Once the adhesive has softened, use a plastic card or pry tool to carefully separate the adhesive underneath the battery. Work slowly and gently. Do not bend, puncture, or apply excessive pressure to the battery, as this can damage the battery and create a safety risk. Please note the adhesive may take some time to release. Be patient and continue working carefully until the battery is free. Once the adhesive is fully separated, carefully lift and remove the faulty battery from the device. Before installing the new battery, clean any remaining adhesive from the battery area. Carefully position the new battery in the body. Next, install the battery with adhesive. Next, reconnect the fingerprint flex cable to the logic board and then reconnect the battery plug. Before installing the mid-frame, make sure the mid-frame is properly aligned with the phone housing. Gently press around the edges of the mid-frame until all the plastic clip snaps securely into place. Next, reinstall the 18 screws to secure the mid frame. Next, apply B7000 glue or new double-sided adhesive for the back cover. Carefully align the back cover with the phone housing and press firmly around the edges to secure it in place. For the best results, use bonding clips or clamps to hold the back cover. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.